guys, and welcome to our class. In this class, I'm going to show you guys how to use NanoBanana to create storyboards. So let's just go ahead and bring in. Let me explain what you are going to see here. I create something new. So there is a 16 by 9 and 9 by 16. These are presets. Okay.
These are presets. So when I pick on 16 by 9 preset and I bring in a picture from my device, I'm going to bring a vertical picture. Okay?
I'm going to bring in a vertical picture.
I've brought in a vertical picture right now.
Okay? As you can tell.
So to make the vertical picture be 16 by 9,
that way the system can just fill out the sides. You need to add a blank. You need to tell it what you need to kind of create a blank background, then add that on top and have AI fill out the sides. Otherwise, it was just hard for me to figure out how to do it, and this is the best way to do it. So, to get that done, all I have to do is, as soon as you click on 16 by 9, the image gets replaced with this blank image, then the script comes up. All you have to do is add in your whatever aspect ratio, then generate.
So when you generate, this is going to go in and just generate
the image with you for you, but it will be a full image, 16 by 9 footage, 16 by 9 image, as opposed to what's currently there right now. So let's just wait for that to generate. We are using NanoBanana 2, by the way. So yeah, that's the default model on here.
There's other image editing models that I'm the one that I'm not 100% sure if they're good. I haven't used them just yet. If someone wants you to explore, by all means, go ahead and just figure it out. There's this detected 6 faces.
This is a way for us to swap the faces with other faces. That comes later. It's not important right now. So we have that. And
so the next thing we're going to do, we can get that image, then go into presets,
then we can do multi-angles. But okay, I did multi-angles. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm curious. Because right now, multi-angles has this background and that image. So I wonder what multi-angle image is going to give us.
Let's see. I wonder.
I've never actually done a multi-angle with this setup like this. Basically, if we didn't have this blank image, I know the multi-angle would have given us a 9 by 16 but multiple angles, right? But since we have a background and this, I wonder what it's going to give us. Yeah, let's see. Oh, so it interpreted it as, that's pretty cool. It interpreted it as 16 by 9. Cool. Really cool. Okay, let's bring back this shot. It didn't give us like this. It just gave us something completely different. Okay? Which is, I don't know how.
I think I like this, but let's see what this would give us. To get a multi-angle of this, just have this in here, then you have to press continue.
That way it comes down here, but the prompt will remain here since we already did it once. We just swapped the image, so we don't have to go back into the preset, the character preset, to try a different thing. Okay, this prompt is already in here. This one, the multi-angle, is already in here. Actually, before we even do that, let's click on this one. Let's just delete this, right? Then click on contact. You don't have to delete it usually, but I just want to delete it that way it's clean.
And generate. Now remember, we're generating this. This is a whole different camera angle
of this. It will give us a whole different camera angle of this image.
right now,
um,
right now, we just if you scroll down,
feel
feel
free
free
to
to
look
look
at
at
the
the
prompt.
prompt.
That
That
way
way
you
you
can
can
understand.
understand.
It's
It's
giving
giving
us
us
different
different
shots.
shots.
So
So
it's
it's
a
a
long
long
shot,
shot,
medium
medium
long
long
shot.
shot.
Just
Just
look,
look,
give
give
us
us
this.
this.
But
But
if you
if you
notice,
notice,
everything
everything
is
is
front
front
angle.
angle.
Everything
Everything
is
is
from the
from the
front.
front.
That's
That's
the
the
default.
default.
This
This
one, the
one, the
first
first
one.
one.
Everything
Everything
is
is
captured
captured
from the
from the
front
front
perspective.
perspective.
Now,
Now,
you
you
can
can
delete
delete
this
this
again
again
to have
to
a
have a
clean
clean
one,
one,
but you
but you
don't
don't
have
have
to. You
to.
can
You can
just
just
click
click
on
on
multi-angle.
multi-angle.
It
It
replaces
replaces
the
the
prompt
prompt
and
and
regenerates it
regenerates it
for
for
you.
you.
So let's
Let's
see
see
what
what
multi-angle
multi-angle
is
is
going to
gonna
give
give
us.
us.
Multi-angle
Multi-angle
will
will
give
give
us
us
like
like
a
a
multiple
multiple
angles:
angles:
side,
side,
front,
front,
top,
top,
wide,
wide,
screen
screen
close
close
up,
up,
close
close
up.
up.
It will
It will
just
just
give us
give us
different
different
angles
angles
as
as
compared
compared
to
to
the
the
first
first
one,
one,
which is
which is
just a
just a
contact
contact
sheet,
sheet,
which is
which is
just
just
like
like
different
different
camera,
camera,
the camera, different
different
lenses.
lenses.
So
So
let's
let's
see
see
what
what
that
that
will
will
give
give
us.
us.
So
So
keep
keep
this in
this in
mind,
mind,
okay?
okay?
Look,
Look,
it's
it's
giving
giving
us
us
side
side
angle,
angle,
giving
giving
us,
us
I mean, mostly
mostly
front,
front,
but
but
we've got
we've got
like
like
charisma,
charisma,
I
I
think.
think.
It's
It's
giving us
giving
a
us a
side
side
angle
angle
right
right
here.
here.
You know, all
All
we
we
need
need
to
to
do
do
is
is
fix
fix
his
his
shoulder
shoulder
with the
with the
FUBU
FUBU
shirt.
shirt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's
that.
that.
Then
Then
we've
we've
got the
got the
storyboard.
storyboard.
Storyboard
Storyboard
creates a
creates a
story
story
around
around
the
the
first
first
image.
image.
So
So
give
give
us
us
multiple
multiple
angles
angles
to
to
make it
make
look
it look
like
like
it's a
it's a
story
story
progressing
progressing
situation.
situation.
So
So
let's
let's
go
go
ahead
ahead
and
and
see the
see the
third
third
one.
one.
So
So
everything
everything
is
is
pretty
pretty
much
much
button,
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 button.
button.
You
You
don't
don't
have
have
to.
to.
You
You
eventually,
eventually,
I
I
want
want
this to
this
be
to
a
be a
situation
situation
where
where
everything
everything
is.
is.
Look at
Look at
this.
this.
It's like
It's
a
like a
storyboard
storyboard
kind of
kind of
thing,
thing,
but you
but you
picked
picked
one
one
person.
person.
But
But
remember,
remember,
that
that
shot
shot
is
is
still
still
down
down
here.
here.
Let's
Let's
go
go
ahead
ahead
and
and
create
create
another
another
storyboard.
storyboard.
And you
And
don't
you don't
have to
have to
even
even
do
do
that.
that.
You can
You can
just
just
go
go
ahead
ahead
and
and
regenerate.
regenerate.
And right
Right
now
now
it's
it's
generating.
generating.
You can
You
go
can go
ahead
ahead
and
and
regenerate the
regenerate the
second
second
one
one
if
if
you
you
want.
want.
Then
Then
you
you
end up
end up
having
having
two
two
generations.
generations.
And
And
for the
for the
side
side
buttons
buttons
right
right
now,
now,
there's
there's
extract
extract
panels. I'll
panels.
show
I'll
you
show
how
you how
that
that
works.
works.
You
You
can
can
download it.
download it.
You can
You can
also
also
continue.
continue.
Then
Then
that
that
brings it
brings it
into
into
the
the
main,
main,
right?
right?
Then
Then
refresh.
refresh
This
just
refreshes
refreshes
the
the
screen.
screen.
Then
Then
regenerate
regenerate
will
will
regenerate.
regenerate.
Upscale,
Upscale,
of course, you know what
of course, you know what
upscale
upscale
is.
is.
Crop, you
Crop,
can
you can
crop
crop
different,
different,
crop
crop
out
out
to
to
match the
match the
reference
reference
image or
image or
whatever.
whatever.
So
So
let's
let's
aspect
aspect
ratio
ratio
already
already
matches.
matches.
See,
See,
because it
because it
matches.
matches.
So
So
I'll
I'll
show
show
you
you
how
how
to
to
do
do
that.
that.
How
How
else to
else
do
to do
that?
that?
So
So
see how
see
the
how the
storyboard
storyboard
is
is
like.
like.
This
This
guy
guy
is
is
about.
about.
He's
He's
got
got
friends.
friends.
Boom!
Boom!
Opens
Opens
the
the
champagne.
champagne.
Cheers,
Cheers.
and he
And he
does
does
a
the
proper
proper
opening,
opening.
and he
And he
pops the
pops the
champagne
champagne
bottle.
bottle.
Boom!
Boom!
So it's
It's
like a
like a
storyboard and
storyboard
a
and a
cheer.
cheer.
So
So
that's what
that's what
storyboard
storyboard
does,
does.
and you
And you
can
can
add
add
your
your
own
own
storyboards
storyboards
elements if
elements
you
if you
want.
want.
And
And
remember,
remember,
we
we
generated
generated
two.
two.
So we
So we
have
have
the
the
first
first
one.
one.
It's a
It's a
storyboard
storyboard
of
of
him
him
cheering,
cheering,
opening.
opening.
Boom!
Boom!
It's
It's
drinks, and
drinks.
they
And
go
they
to
go
the
to the
mansion,
mansion,
the
the
other
other
side of
side
the
of the
mansion.
mansion.
So we
So we
know
know
that
that
this
this
mansion
mansion
is
is
clearly
clearly
the
the
same mansion
mansion
as
as
the
the
pictures
pictures
that they
that they
sent
sent
us.
us.
And I'll
And I'll
show
show
you
you
the
all the
pictures.
pictures.
So you
So you
see
see
this.
this?
Pretty
Pretty
cool.
cool.
Now,
Now,
that's
that's
that.
that.
To
To
make
make
it
it
to make it
make it
into
into
like
like
a
a
proper
proper
image,
image,
you
you
can
can
go
go
into
into
extract
extract
panels.
panels.
So you
So
can
you can
extract panels, then there's different shots. All the shots can be extracted from this collage. Let me just go to my YouTube and just look at if there's anyone watching. Let's see.
Oh, there's one live view, I guess. Okay, cool. Let's do it. So, so this is the storyboard. It shows you the cheer and everything that's going on. And if you want this one, all you have to do is add it to source.
And you can also make this a
start
and the end frame of something. Then you can start an end frame. Then you convert to
start an end frame.
Let's see. You
can do a start and end frame, then upraise them, then create a start and end frame for VO3. Okay. So for this, let's play around with what's here.
If you say
extract right here, this button. See? Then you extract that. So if you click on this right here, it makes it easier to extract. And you've got your labels here if you want to add, like
to know which one is close up, which one is low angle, whatever. You can just put the song, but I'm cool with it being off. And you have extract all right here. So if I turn it back on, you see these ones come up. And you have to use Magnific. I need to update Magnific actually. I'll do that before the month is up. I'll make sure it's updated. As soon as the API comes out to
the new Magnific,
I'll update and make sure that it's updated.
Right now,
it came out yesterday, but it's not really there.
The API is not out yet. As soon as it's out, I'll update.
Hopefully before the month is up.
So that's that.
We can also let's extract all that way. We can upraise this one too, and I'll show you the difference. Then we can have this as well.
So this is like multiple upraise.
While
those are going,
let me just do this, and I'm going to add it to the source. Okay. Now, when I add it to the source, look where it goes. It becomes this.
It's not coming in here, no.
It's coming down here. Okay? It's coming down here, not here. So while it's down there, because if it came here,
I have two options. It can either come here, then you have to continue to down here, which is 2 steps.
And
this will be empty and flat.
When I can edge function returns a fail to extract high. Okay, that's like a fail to extract a different shot, but I'll make sure that this is fixed. So with this, with this one here, I can just upraise.
It's using NanoBanana to upraise. So let's just go ahead and double check one thing. You say the angle is still generating, by the way, the background.
So if I go back down here, let's see. The angle is being extracted, but we'll get to that. We'll have to refresh.
2K is better. See, it's upraised, right?
But it's 1K, not 2K. It's 1K, so it's upraised. Alright, so the other thing that we would love to upraise, all you have to do is click it, right? Click down here. So if you put your mouse here, you say create 3. That's the prompt that we used, right? This prompt right here. Branch and edit, non-destructive. This is like just branching and start editing this.
This little thing right here, this is like if you put your marker here, you'll be able to see what you branch from here to branch to a different thing, and you can edit it. It's non-destructive. And then you can edit it. 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 You can
this branch and edit non-destructive, and this is upres, and pretty much upscale, and this is add to editor. Editor is like add. If you add to editor, then you open the editor here, you can storyboard it in the editor. But we'll cover that topic later. If you guys want to experiment, go ahead and experiment. So let's go again and extract something from this panel. Let's extract this celebration right here. We're gonna extract the celebration, and let's make sure that remember we have raised to 2K, right? Let's just go ahead and generate. Oh shit! Not generate upres, because right now we are generating the whole thing again. But anyway, I'll just have to wait for it to finish. Alright, let's wait for this thing to happen. Man, don't you just hate? That's why I always try to just remove this, then do my thing. That way it's like clear. I'll probably I'll leave it like that. Maybe I'll add a button here just to delete. You know, like a little button to delete the thing. Maybe I will. So this is a few shots of him. Of what you can be doing in the house, whatever, you know. But again, let's upres this instead. This one up here. You don't need a prompt for that. You just upres is an internal prompt. So let's go ahead and upres this and see what's going on. Remember, we are upraising the image in the main, not this guy. We are upraising this image in the main and not this one. So that one. Okay. Then this is like some advanced little thing that you guys can do, can understand later. Once you figure out how to do this, you can, if you scroll down. Wait a second. If you scroll, let's just close this. Scroll up actually, close this as well. See, right now you have character DNA. If you click on character DNA, you can detect faces. Click on detect faces. You'll be able to detect the faces in the shot. Okay. Then you can just go ahead and drag and drop the faces that you want, right? Let's try it. I've replaced all the faces technically with the wrong faces. If I go ahead and replace these, I've never replaced this many people before, but let's go ahead and replace it and see what happens. If it's gonna replace that many people, but we'll see. It's like it's just a feature that I added for consistent characters. But sometimes you get your consistent characters, sometimes it drifts. So whenever it drifts, you always have to bring it right back and just make sure that you're on point. Yes, see, these people, guys are swapped with other races, other looking, you know. If they swap from who they are to other people, then we won. Let's see. Alright, come on. 2 out of, oh man, it's swapping each and every single person. 1 by 1. 3 out of 5. Oh my goodness. That's pretty cool because it's swapping 1 by 1, which means we can swap as many people as we want. Technically. Because if you can swap 1 by 1 like this,
it can be 10 people, and we swap all 10 people.
You know, and
And
that's
that's
a
a
win
win
for
for
us.
us.
It's a win for us. So
Go ahead and try that out, and let me know how it goes. If it goes good, just leave a thing in the comments saying,
oh,
oh,
you
you
tried
tried
20
20
people
people
and
and
it
it
worked.
worked.
Just let
Just
me
let me
know.
know.
That way I can, learn
Learn
something,
something,
because
because
it's hard to build
build
something
something
and
and
at
at
the
the
same
same
time
time
test
test
every
every
single
single
thing.
thing.
It's
It's
just
just
hard.
hard.
It's just like very
Very
hard.
hard.
Okay,
Okay,
3
3
out
out
of
of
5.
5.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Two
Two
more.
more.
My
My
goal
goal
is
is
to
to
start
start streaming
every
every
single
single
day.
day.
Let's
Let's
start.
start. I'll
Start
start
streaming
streaming
every
every
single
single
day
day
till
till
June.
June.
Then
Then
we'll
we'll
see
see
what
what
happens.
happens.
But yeah,
Yeah,
check
check
out
out
the
the
website.
website.
This
This
website
website
is
is
zxrstudios.com.
ZXRstudios.com.
Check it
Check it
out
out
in
in
the
the
description
description
below,
below.
so we
So we
can
can
start
start
getting
getting,
more
more
and
and
more
more
motivation
motivation
to
to
create
create
these
these
tutorials for
tutorials
you
for you
guys.
guys.
Like,
Like,
I
I
think
think
the
the
AI
AI
filmmaking
filmmaking
world
world
is
is
something
something
that
that
is, I
I
believe,
believe
is the
is the
future,
future,
right?
right?
So
So
I
I
believe
believe
by
by
the
the
end
end
of
of
this
this
year,
year,
every
every
studio will
studio
have
have
an
an
AI
AI
component to
to
what
what
they're
they're
doing,
doing,
like
like
a
a
lot,
lot,
maybe
maybe
like
like
80%
80%
AI of,
of
whether
whether
it's
it's
VFX.
VFX.
With
With
AI,
AI,
I
I
can
can
literally
literally
do
do
like a
like a
car
car
crash,
crash,
a
a
VFX
VFX
shot
shot
right
right
here
here
within
within
3
3
minutes.
minutes.
And
And
imagine
imagine
having
having
those
those
things
things
usually
usually
take
take
long
long
when
when
those
those
things
things
usually
usually
take
take
long
long
when
when
you
you
actually
actually
want to
want to
do
do
them.
them.
To
To
actually
actually
do
do
like
like
VFX,
VFX,
they
they
just
just
take
take
a
a
long
long
time
time
and
and
they're
they're
just
just
way
way
too
too
expensive.
expensive.
Most of
Most
the
of the
time,
time, things
people
people
even
even
lose
lose the
motivation
motivation
to
to
get
get
something
something
done
done
because
because
it's
it's
just
just
way
way
too
too
expensive.
expensive.
That like the
Like the
VFX is
VFX
way
is
too
way too
expensive.
expensive.
So
So
a
a
lot of
lot of
studios
studios
who
who
have
have
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
AI
AI
elements,
elements,
and me
me
as a
as a
filmmaker,
filmmaker,
I
I
think
think
it's
it's
very
very
important
important
that
that
I
I
build
build
something
something
that
that
I
I
would
would
want to
want to
use.
use.
Because
Because
right
right
now,
now,
in
in
my
my
opinion,
opinion,
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
a lot of the
the
platforms
platforms
that
that
are
are
currently
currently
there,
there,
they
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 have
have
tools
tools
that
that
you
you
just
just
use
use
them,
them,
right?
right? You just
It's
it's
like
like
a tool
tool
to
to
create a
create a
shot,
shot,
okay?
okay?
A
A
tool
tool
to
to
create
create
an
an
image,
image,
a
a
tool
tool
to
to
create
create
voice.
voice.
But
But
what
what
about
about
my
my
thing
thing
is,
is,
what
what
if
if
you
you
actually
actually
took
took
that,
that,
right?
right?
All
All
those
those
tools
tools
that
that
can
can
generate an
generate an
image,
image,
can
can
swap
swap
voices,
voices,
can
can
generate
generate
facial
facial
animation,
animation,
can
can
generate,
generate,
you
you
know,
know,
highly
highly
realistic
realistic
textures,
textures,
can
can
do
do
things.
things.
I
I
think
think
it's
it's
good
good
to
to
actually
actually
get
get
those
those
things,
things,
bring
bring
them
them
together,
together,
and
and
build
build
something
something
new.
new.
Come
Come
on,
on,
skin
skin
tone,
tone,
color
color
matching
matching
and
and
stuff.
stuff.
This
This
thing
thing
takes a
takes a
long
long
time.
time.
5 people is a lot of people. As you
As you
can
can
see,
see,
what we
what we
did
did
was
was
replace
replace
these
these
characters,
characters
5 of them, with
with
random
random
characters
characters
that
that
I
I
have
have
saved.
saved.
I
I
need to
need to
create a
create a
way
way
for
for
people
people
to
to
just
just
convert
convert
these
these
characters
characters
to
to
character
character
sheets.
sheets.
That's the
That's the
next
next
thing
thing
that
that
I'm going to do. It
it
kind of
kind of
tried,
tried,
but
but
it
it
didn't
didn't
work.
work.
It didn't
It didn't
work
work
as
as
good.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
doesn't
doesn't
work.
work.
Okay,
Okay,
this
this
it
it
works
works
and it
and it
doesn't.
doesn't.
Nah, it
It
doesn't
doesn't
work.
work.
Okay,
Okay,
but
but
I'll go back to this. I'll
I'll
go
go
back
back
to
to
this.
this.
But
But
if
if you
you, that's
that's
that,
that
right?
right
Face
face
character
character
DNA.
DNA.
This will
This will
get
get
better,
better,
I
I
think,
think,
with
with
time.
time.
So I
So I
don't
don't
want to
want to
delete
delete
it.
it.
I might
I might
take it
take it
off
off
or
or
whatever.
whatever.
It's
It's
usable in
usable in
some areas, some instances, and
and
sometimes
sometimes
it's
it's
not.
not.
So I'll
So I'll
leave
leave
it
it
here.
here.
But
But
if you
if you
go
go
to
to
character
character
sheets,
sheets,
um, character
character
sheets,
sheets,
click on
click on
character
character
sheets
sheets
right
right
here.
here.
Um, there's a tutorial that I made of how to create character sheets. Just pretty much you go into character sheet, you create, you upload it, you save, you put in as much information as you feel like. Then of course you have to name the character. Then you create a character sheet. Then that character will be in your character sheet. Okay. From here, upload a picture, just any picture that shows the face clear. Like in any clear picture, usually like mid shots. The widest shot you should get is like a mid shot, or medium close up or whatever. Then you upload that. Then the system is gonna figure out what the rest of the body looks like. And sometimes these contact sheets are offline, and in those times you just have to refresh. And if it doesn't, I refreshed it twice, nothing is happening. So all I have to do is just close this. Then character sheets one more time. Let me just do a refresh here. So after I do that, the refresh, my characters are back. So what I can do right here, I can just, I've actually got some presets. I can just say swap left, swap right, swap, three people. I can swap easily. Then you have to go in and just modify. If it's a fourth person to the left, you modify the script. But if I want to swap the character on the left hand side, I can just click on swap left. Then I can delete this character and just pick one person. So I'll pick this older gentleman right here. I'll pick that. Okay, that's the character that's gonna replace this guy. So if I go in and generate, you end up replacing him. This is way better and more accurate than just that one face replacement. But that one face replacement, the character DNA only works every now and again. This one, the face detector, it only works every now and again. But you just have to see what works and what times. Like what works when. Okay, that's the goal. See what works when. Just play around with these. And of course you've got your location. Your location is just like your character sheets. Alright, your location is just like your character sheets. You just have to go in there, click on it, refresh if they're not showing up. If they show up, you're good. If they're showing up, we're good. You just cancel. You can say 35 are saved while this is still generating over here. So let's just wait for this to generate. That way we can stop messing around and continue doing what we gotta do. While this is going, let's go and switch the guy in the middle. Oh no, let's just do one. Remember, I've got three shortcuts. We've got swap left, swap right, swap middle. So basically, this guy, and that guy. But for the start, we're gonna swap him first. Then once we swap him, we can do whatever we want. And after that, we can modify, swap the guy between number 1 and number 2 on the left side, swap the guy between number 1 and number 3 on the right side, the number 2 from the left, number 2 from the right. After you... Damn, generation failed.
What do you mean generation failed?
Go.
Try again.
So basically, I'm just swapping him, the guy on the left, with this gentleman right here, like an older gentleman. See? Now swap. This one is way better. It understands the system way better because let me swap it. Right? And we can do the same thing for this guy and that guy.
This one I trust it.
And if you want, you can modify the prompt so that you can only swap the face and leave the clothing.
You understand? So
I can literally go in here and say, let's see. Wait. Yeah, also, if you once this is done, you have next shot. Next shot. Then you describe what happens next. So
like a little let's see what happens now.
So it's imagining the next shot. Then all you have to do is get the multi-angle of this. So if I... This was the first angle. Oh, this was the first angle, or should I say this one was the first angle. This was the next angle, but the same people. See? So they are continuing to do other things, but while the people in the background remain the same. Like if you look at this girl right here, and you click on this one, she's still there, but these people were covered by the other guy. So all we have to do, we can cut from this shot. We can cut from this shot this shot. But in this shot will be different because what we're gonna do is go into the storyboard and generate. Oh shoot! Say continue. Then generate. Alright, this is what it's giving us now from that one shot. Okay. However, while these guys are going away like this, we could while this one is in there, we could use this one, not the storyboard version, but just a multi-angle version of this particular shot that we have here. Okay. Alright, let's wait for this to finish. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, so live streaming is live streaming for the most part. You spend most of the time waiting for things to happen. But see, we could go from we could I guess they going that way. They're going a whole different direction this time around. But oh, this guy turned to Dr. Dre. That's crazy. Okay, so we can cut from this to this, maybe to show some we can do like a dolly shot of this one. So we're just gonna extract we're gonna do this, extract a panel, and maybe we can zoom into the BMF shirt. Yeah, let's zoom into the BMF shirt. Remember, it comes up here, then just have to upgrade it. So as they're walking to the edge of as they're walking to the edge of this, we can just zoom into the BMF shirt. Boom. That's your movie right there. Okay, that's the movie right there. So let's just see what happens when we wait. Let's go in. Oh, it's upscaling right now. So let's just wait for the upscale to complete. Yeah, so let's see how we can make this workflow better. Damn, wow, still going. I'm so used to having this spinning while operating, because I'm always that's good enough. So basically, at this point, we can go from this, like a start frame, then end frame. Okay, that's your start and end frame. And if you want, you can just I'll show you guys a quick trick. This is not about Cling, but I'll show you a quick trick in Cling that you can just go to your dashboard, Cling Studio right here, click on Cling. But if you click on here, just a second. If you click on there and you want your image to video, you can go do your start frame. Just wait. And Cling will have all the NanoBanana generated images. So in this case, we say the start frame is this. In this case, we can just use that as our start frame. Then, where's our BMW shirt? Okay, we have a BMW shirt that we generated earlier, but this is not working. You can open the full app right here, or you can have access to the full app right here, or let me just close this. Or within NanoBanana, you can within Cling, you can just open NanoBanana. What happened? That's different. Let me fix that, guys. Let me fix that. So the site has a couple bugs, like things like this that I miss every now and again, but it's a quick fix. So, well, how come I'm able to? How come I'm able to go in from here? I'm able to go to NanoBanana from here, but not. Interesting. Maybe I'm not able to go into NanoBanana if I have this open. Go to NanoBanana. No, it's gone. Let's just pick random. Let me just pick random things. Save and return back to thing. Then what if I go again and then I don't get it. Then let's go back here. Try again. Is this up to date? That's weird. Alright, well, I'll need to figure out what that error was. So, click on this. Wait. This. Then, save and return to Cling. Okay, so let me just go in here. Start again. Okay, we'll start from this as a wide shot. And I'm gonna click. I see what's going on. Okay, what if? Because so the way it's working right now, once I come back from here and I go to NanoBanana and I bring in that one shot, this one, it replaces the opening shot. So that, see, it replaces the start shot. That's not good. So the way to do it, okay, that way does not work. So the way to do it, let's just go back to history. We're gonna get this guy and we go back to the end. In the end, our shirt is still not here. We're gonna open full app from our end shot. We're gonna open the full application, but we lost again. See, it's not taking us back. Okay, because it needs to take us back. So, let me fix that. Let me fix it right now. whenever I go to NanoBanana from clean and the starting shot is already in there, whatever shot I bring in from NanoBanana should automatically go to the end frame. If the start frame is already taken, the whatever I bring in from NanoBanana should go to the end frame. And if the end frame is already taken, whatever I bring from NanoBanana should go to the start frame. We should not always replace the start frame from NanoBanana. The only time we should replace the start frame is when we have both the start and the end frame. Then we recycle again. We replace the start, we replace the end. That kind of situation. But the user, it's advised that the user close the X. Just figure out. But at the end of the day, let's enable the ability for us to go to NanoBanana, import the image, and whenever there's already a start image, the imported image should automatically go to the left, to the end frame. And when there's already the start and end frame, whatever I bring should automatically replace the start all the time if there's start and end. Otherwise, should work it out.
Anyway, figure it out and fix it.
Yeah, I'll fix this. So while this is fixing, let us go to this and anyway, you can be able to bring in your start frame from NanoBanana, from your history right here. I don't know why the other one didn't show up. So maybe refresh the history? No? Okay. So for this one, start. End frame. We're gonna figure out that end frame, what it does. So end frame. But when open full app from here, I need to be able to come back. Let's see this. Make sure it's fixed. Oh, it's still going. Oh.
Who's gonna approve
the value? I don't know. I'll approve it. Okay. So now, let's see. So basically, right now, if a user comes to full app, they get lost. They can't come back. They cannot come back to this.
And I don't want to have to always download, you know? I don't want to always have to download.
I want to be able to just bring it right back. I want to be able to just bring it right back into the player and not just put it, like, create a situation where I have to download all the time. So yeah, building this platform. Now I don't the sheet. Alright. Smart frame replacement is now active in both playing. Okay. So smart frame is active now. So let me just publish this. Just publish this. Okay, while that's updating, let's just check. So image, if I go to history, I'll select this one, and if I go to NanoBanana, oh, so it was outside, but if I go to NanoBanana and I select this and return to clean, it's replacing it. No, it's not supposed to replace, it's supposed to go to end. Let's see. Let's refresh. Alright, let's go back. Image to video. Alright, let's try again. This is a side mission that I just did right now. So just wanna make sure this is fixed. It's a side mission, but I wanna make sure it's fixed. Alright, so in the start and end frame, give me the ability to swap images, to make start and end frame be end to start frame and start to end frame. Give me the ability to swap images, to swap the start and end frames easily by clicking just a swap button right in the middle. Give me the ability to do that. And that's in clean. Alright, let's see what happens. So which means we can do the end, then we're gonna go to NanoBanana, and for example we can pick on the start, then save and return. Okay, so now we just need to. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we've got, I guess we've got a swap button now, and then if I remove this, what we need is supposed to be here. Alright, let's continue. So we added the swap button over there, and what else did I'm not too worried. Okay, the swapperoo. Oh, the swapperoo is in the middle now. That's cool. Whatever. Oh shit, we good. Okay, so the thing is, you can to do the starting anyframe, you can go into your NanoBanana. Do your okay, let me just publish this. Publish. How much progress? Wow. Damn, 20. Alright. I'll take it easy. So, just wait a second. Let me just make sure this update has gone. No, it's not yet. So, this is we've made a lot of progress on this application. A lot of progress. A lot. Alright, so let me go back to. Has this finished? Come on, finish the update so that the people can have the most up-to-date system to create movies. That's what you got. That's what we want. The most up-to-date system to create movies. That is exactly what we want. Let's see. Okay, it's published already. So now the publish has gone up. Everyone has the most up-to-date. Damn. Alright, excuse me. Okay, so we are back in here. So to get to the what we want to do, we can come in here and we're coming from this. Okay, coming from this. just get the ones we want. And then we are going to do the swapperoo. Wait, I've updated that. Welcome. Done the swapperoo. Okay, let me just refresh. Okay. In clean, just click on NanoBanana. NanoBanana, dang. Bring in this guy. That'll be our start image. And then end image can be brought from here. Then we'll be able to do the swapperoo. Oh, this is just saying you can swap it. So we'll do the swapperoo like this. So this will be like pushing. And if you have a script, you can just type it in there. Do whatever duration you want. Then you want a multi-shot or single shot. You can turn that off and just type in your one shot. Otherwise, you do a multi-shot, then that would be like multi-shot, you know. That's what I wanted to bring. I still need to fix a couple things. That way it's more intuitive, and each way you do it, it still works, right? That's the goal. But let's come out of here because this is not why we're here. We're here for storyboards. This is just a little thing that I want to show you in NanoBanana. Let's go back to NanoBanana. We are here, okay. Then let's add a 16:9 and bring in our new shot. Pause from device. I think we have this one already. Let's get this. We have that one as this, I believe. No. Okay. But in the meantime, interesting. Okay. So, let's. I wonder what happens while it's sideways. Let's see what happens. Very curious. But in the meantime, while this thing is going on, let's go ahead and assemble. I'm gonna add the image. Let's bring in this image, and just turn it 90 degrees. Maybe a little bit like this. Yeah, we're gonna snap that shot. Open back in NanoBanana. See, that guy is right there. Then, can you fill out the white area with the rest of the shot in the middle? That way we lose the white and add the shot. That way the shot is like filled up with the empty. Fill out the empty areas of the photo with the rest of the image. That way it looks seamless and looks like a photography that's 16:9, not a photography in the middle of white. Fix it. Well, that's going. upraise that. Okay. Then we have to turn this image to nice and cinematic later on. Okay, that's that. Then we are going to continue our 16:9 journey and bring the next image. The goal is to upraise everything and start building the scenes around this, because this is more like a story, like a movie storyboard. I guess not. I'm getting money over here. What do you do, pimp? I need to create a prompt that just enables that. Fill out the rest of the image, the blank part of the image with white. The white part of the image, the part of the image with white, fill that up with the rest of the image in the middle. That way the image in the middle is filled up. And make the image cinematic and more like was shot with a high-end Alexa camera than a photography. Make it look good and cinematic. Getting money over here. What it do, pimp it? Okay, there's a shot. I'll just copy this prompt. We seem to be using it a lot. Alright. That is how you do it. I wonder. Let me snap and generate. Let's see what happens. Paste the prompt. I wonder. Interesting. didn't send it. He didn't send it to NanoBanana too. Damn, where did it go? Let's refresh. Wow, that's crazy. He didn't. Very interesting. He didn't bring us our shot. That's crazy. Wow, it's not even in the history. Dynast. At point, boss. Musha. Bandana. Damn. That's not good. Oh, they said they'll take care of you? Damn. Alright, yeah, it's just a bonus, wasn't it? Just here doing things, working and all that thing and all that in between. Making some tutorials for the website. Yeah, some content. ZXR. Nice. Ah, chai. Yep. Keep at it. It's all part of the game. Yeah. Naye como full throttle, was it? Let's be full throttle until we pedal hit the metal, was it? Yeah, a job I know exactly how it goes. Back to the ghetto. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Alright, keep pushing, my brother. I'm out here pushing as well. Keep pushing the files. Now, never wait till you finish. Fix as you want. Fix as you want. just do that. Marketing valpo. I can chat GPT. Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Acha? Oh shit! No, not yet. I'll check. I'll check. I'll check
Check
at
out
2:30.
2:30.
I'm going
Going
outside.
outside.
Yeah. Kule konyama chani ndenjala wazini insala weko vopika wazini ngayendeletu insala.
Insala.
Yeah, smoothies are good. Good and nice. Good, nice and healthy. Azia, huh? Trying to
Trying to
shade
shade
off
off
some
some
weight.
weight.
Nice.
Nice.
That's
That's
cool.
cool.
You
You
had
had
shaved
shaved
off
off
so
so
much
much
weight,
weight,
but
but
you
you
went
went
back
back
and
and
ate
ate
everybody's
everybody's
food.
food.
Maybe
Nigga
went
went
back
back
and
and
oh, you
went
went back to
back
the
to
cheap
cheap
food.
food.
Damn.
Damn.
I
I
feel
feel
you,
you,
bro.
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
know.
know.
Shit gets
Yeah.
yeah. Ah,
How,
well,
eh? Shit
shit gets
gets
crazy
crazy
sometimes.
sometimes.
It's
It's
about
about
how
how
you
you
recover.
recover.
It's
It's
about
about
how you recover. Oh, yeah, that's
that's
what
what
it's
it's
about.
about.
Okay,
Okay.
Chabekun. Shall talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
from
here
here
it's
it's
just
just
pretty
pretty
much,
much,
you
you
know,
know,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
just
just
generate
generate
these,
these,
then
then
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
generate,
generate
um, yeah, I'm just gonna generate these pictures. Then I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
generate
generate
camera
camera
angles
angles
and
and
just
just
create the characters. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
create the
create the
characters
characters
next.
next.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
let me
let me
just
just
send
send
the
the
characters
characters
in.
in.
Make sure
Sure,
the
it's
characters,
characters
the faces don't change.
change.
See? Okay,
Okay,
so
so
now
now
that
that
we've
we've
done
done
this
this
part,
part,
let
let
us
us
this is much
much
better.
better.
I'm gonna
What
do one
one
more. What
what
give us? Give
give
us
us
this
this
and give
give
us
us
this.
this.
That's
That's
crazy.
crazy.
Change the location. Huh. Wow. So we're done
done
with
with
this.
this.
So now
Now
we're going to go
go
to
to
create
create
character
character
sheets.
sheets.
Okay. Nothing is saying. Downloads.
Okay.
Then
Then
we need
I think it's BD.
while this is generating, we're just gonna come back here and import. Make the gentleman look in front of the camera, medium close up, and have him look serious. While that is generating, let's figure out save image and figure out the character profile that was created to see if it's good enough. Looks like him. Then we're gonna drag this character and throw it in here. I'm gonna call it speedy. Bold. So while this is generating, let's go ahead and just delete the other character that we created. We don't need that character. We just want this guy, Speedy. Delete him. Okay, so our character has been generated. So now I'm just gonna send this to the director to make sure that we're good on it. So download. Just gonna have to have him sign off on these. Okay, that's that one character. Then I'm just gonna have to remove this and add generate. Just like Awi or whatever his name is. Awi. So now we're going to continue this character and say without changing the look of this character, put him in color so that is color, and remove the hat from his head and make him photorealistic and add realistic skin with studio lighting so that he looks photoreal. So now we are fixing this character, this black and white character right here. Want to fix him so that he looks, right. That's how I think once we make him color, we can, so I'm just gonna download this and I'm gonna put it text thread, and we're gonna get that character and create a character sheet with it. Just drop him in the character sheet and give him his character name.
How do you spell khaki?
Let me figure out how to do that. Khaki. What's the khaki pants? Damn, khaki is a very strange name to spell. Khaki pants. Let's generate that character. So the K. K is everywhere. Okay. Then I can just bring the third guy, Speedy. No, G wider. Guido. Masquerade Memorial. Damn, character profile. Damn, that is so cool. Wow, damn, 838. Wow, this is crazy. Without changing the look of this character or anything else about this character, can you create a highly realistic image of him without so make sure that his face is photorealistic and cut to a medium close-up of the shot? cut to a medium shot of him with a flat background. Right. This is our last character that we're creating for the day. Let's go. Gueda is his name. So let's just put. Oh, let's generate first. Just gonna create my character. Generated. Okay. This guy has been replaced already, so we got Guida right here. Alright guys, so this is pretty much all we have for the day. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's extremely enough for the day.